With economic uncertainty at an all-time high, many American retirees are looking for ways to protect their hard-earned wealth. If you're nearing retirement or already retired, you may have noticed that traditional investments like stocks and bonds aren't performing the way they once did. This leaves a lot of people asking, what's the best way to protect my savings when the market is volatile and inflation is rising? The answer might be simpler than you think. Gold IRAs. You've probably heard of gold IRAs, but maybe you haven't fully grasped why they're becoming such a popular option, especially in times of economic instability. Today, we're diving into why so many Americans are opening gold IRAs and why it's crucial to consider this option if you're serious about securing your wealth in uncertain times. Before we get into why gold IRAs are an ideal solution, let me remind you, if you're looking for more in-depth guidance, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that has helped thousands of people protect their savings. This guide breaks everything down and can help you make a more informed decision, especially if you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the economy. We're all aware of the rising inflation rates, market volatility, and the financial instability that seems to affect every sector. As an investor, this is concerning, especially for retirees who depend on their savings for the long term. If your retirement savings are still tied up in assets that are tied to market performance, you're exposed to the risks of losing value. Stocks, for example, can be highly volatile. One day they're up, the next day they're down. If you're relying on these assets to fund your retirement, you could be setting yourself up for a bumpy ride. So why gold? Historically, gold has been a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold tends to hold its value over time and even thrives when the value of paper currency declines. If you're worried about what might happen if inflation continues to rise, a gold IRA offers a way to diversify your wealth while protecting against the erosion of your savings. But what if you're thinking about other options, like real estate or traditional savings accounts? Real estate is a great long-term investment, but it requires significant capital, management, and comes with its own risks. Plus, the market has been unpredictable, with some areas seeing a decrease in value. Savings accounts, on the other hand, offer low interest rates that don't keep up with inflation. So, while these options might seem safer, they don't offer the same kind of protection that a gold IRA does. The best part is that gold IRAs are easy to set up and manage. You can open a gold IRA with a trusted company that specializes in these types of accounts. And once you do, you're not just holding physical gold. Your portfolio will be backed by gold assets that are securely stored and can be easily accessed when needed. It's a smart, practical way to diversify your retirement savings in a way that traditional assets just can't. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, it's time to start thinking about diversifying with a gold IRA. Click the link in the description to get your free guide, and you'll understand why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs as their primary way to safeguard their retirement. As you consider how best to protect your wealth, remember that gold IRAs are a low-risk, long-term investment that can provide financial security in times of economic uncertainty, especially for those of you with over $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings. A gold IRA could be the key to securing your financial future. In conclusion, if you're looking to protect your wealth from economic turmoil, gold IRAs are one of the most reliable ways to do so. You get the security of gold's value, combined with the convenience of an IRA, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your retirement savings are safe no matter what the market throws your way. For more in-depth insights and steps on how to get started, be sure to grab your free guide linked in the description. It's specifically designed for retirees who want to protect their wealth, and it's perfect for those who have $100,000 or more in their retirement accounts or $5 million in savings. Thanks for watching, and remember, your wealth deserves to be protected. Take action now, before economic uncertainty turns into something you can't control.